think somewhere.
What's going on?
Well, we're having a disco, Bella.
A disco day?
Yes.
Have you told Max and Judy?
Oh, Judy isn't here today, Bella. And Max has had an emergency. There's a flood in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd be good and set the disco up ourselves.
Yes.
This is so dangerous.
Now,
What are you doing, Jake?
well, I don't know where to put this plug. Oh, hang on. Yes, I do. In that thingy on the wall with the holes in it. Hey,
Jake, wait! That's the electric socket, Jakey. You shouldn't go near it.
Shouldn't I?
No.
This comes through here, so that must go through there.
What are you doing, Fizz?
Well, what does it look like, Bella? I'm untangling these electric cables.
Fizz!
What?
Oh, hi, Bella. Fancy helping me?
What are you trying to do, Milo?
Well, I want to get these disco lights working, but I don't know which is the right plug. Oh, well, guess I'll have to try them all, one by one.
But Milo, that means you'll have to turn the power on and off. My gran has told me never to do any of these things. Max will be so angry. I've got to stop them. But how? If I just go in there and tell them to stop, they won't take any notice of me. They'll say I'm just being bossy. So how can I make them take notice of me? Oh, I wish my gran was here. What would she say?
Tell them to stop.
But Gran, I've tried to. They won't listen.
Then find some way to make them listen.
How am I going to do that, Gran?
Bit of dressing up, if you know what I mean.
Bye! Yeah, thanks, Gran. I know exactly what you mean. Stop!
What? Hey,
I'm Bella's Gran, and I've something to say to you.
hey, what's she doing here?
Oh, Bella must have fetched her.
Why are you going to put this plug in an electric socket?
Yes, Granny.
Well, you shouldn't. It's dangerous.
Oh, sorry, Granny.
And have you been touching these cables?
Well, I untangled them, Granny.
Well, you shouldn't.
Oh.
Only grown-ups should touch electric wires.
I'm very sorry, Granny.
And you, were you going to turn on the power to those lights?
Yes, easy, Granny. You just press the switch here and...
Don't argue, young man. You shouldn't. Electric sockets should never be used by children.
Oh, sorry, Granny.
Well, I hope you've all learned your lesson. Anything electrical should be left alone. Bye.
Bye, Granny.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's not Bella's Granny.
Well, what's going on here, eh?
Oh, Bella tricketed us, Max.
Hey?
She dressed up like her Granny.
Oh, why did you do that, Bella?
Well, they were all playing with dangerous electrical things, Max.
What were you three thinking of?
Well, we only wanted a disco, Max.
Yeah.
Well, then you should have waited a while, Milo. A grown-up's never far away.
Sorry, Max.
Oh, well, yes, sorry, Max.
Right, well, that's sorted, thanks to Bella. Now, I'll get this disco set up.
It's fun to play with your friends every day.
Want to make it last forever.
But keep in your head what the Tweenies said, and we'll all play safe together. Yes, we'll all play safe together.
Electric sockets, wires and plugs. What can we say about these?
Electric sockets, wires and plugs. Listen to what we say, please.
Don't switch on sockets. Don't play with wires. They're dangerous things. They can cause fires.
The power inside them is so very strong. You must never touch them. To play with them, is wrong.
It's fun to play with your friends every day, and we'll all play safe together.